In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a broken Slack Google Calendar integration. First, open Slack in your browser or open the Slack desktop app. Then sign in to the workspace where the Google Calendar integration is not working. Make sure you are fully logged in before moving on, because the authorization change has to be made for the same workspace you want to repair. Now open a new browser tab. In the address bar, go to slack.com/apps. This opens the Slack app directory, where Slack apps and integrations are managed. At the top of the page, click inside the search box. Type Google Calendar, then press Enter. Give the results a moment to load, then click the Google Calendar result that is published by Slack. On the Google Calendar app page, look near the top of the page for the tabs. Click Configuration, which appears next to About and Reviews. You should now be on the configuration page for the Google Calendar app. On this page, look for the section called Your Authorization. This section lists the connected workspace and a calendar authorization that is currently attached to Slack. Next, revoke the existing authorization so Slack and Google Calendar can reconnect cleanly. Scroll down until you are in the Your Authorization section. Find the Revoke option beside the current authorization for your workspace, then click Revoke. After you click it, the page reloads. When it finishes loading, the Your Authorization section should now say that you have not authorized this app yet, or show similar wording. This means the old connection has been removed, and the integration is now ready to be added again. Stay on the same configuration page. Near the top of the page, click Add to Slack. A permissions screen will appear. Before approving anything, look at the top right of that screen and confirm that the workspace name shown there is the workspace you are fixing. Once the workspace is correct, click Allow to grant Slack access for the Google Calendar app installation. You will now be taken to a Google Sign-In or Account Chooser screen. Click the Google account that contains the calendar you want to use inside Slack. If Google shows a screen that says Slack wants access to your Google account, click Continue. On the permissions list, leave every checkbox selected. Do not uncheck any of the permissions shown in this flow, because these are the permissions Slack is asking for during the reconnect process. At the bottom of the screen, click Allow, or click Continue if that is the button Google shows. Now wait while Google redirects you back to Slack. Do not close the page during this redirect. When the redirect finishes, you should land on a Slack page saying that the Google Calendar app has been added. This confirms that the app authorization has been created again. Next, verify the integration from inside Slack. Switch back to your Slack tab or Slack app window. In the left sidebar, click any channel so the message box is active in a normal conversation view. Click into the message box. Type a /, then lowercase gcal, then a space, then Settings. Press Enter. The Google Calendar Settings panel should appear. In that panel, check the Account section and confirm that it shows your calendar with the Google account you just reauthorized. Now test the calendar response directly. Click back into the Slack message box. Type a /, then lowercase gcal, then a space, then Today. Press Enter. Slack will now request today's calendar events from Google Calendar. If your events appear, the connection is live. If the panel says no events today, that also means the connection is live, because Slack was able to reach your calendar and return a valid response. You can also confirm the repair from the Google Calendar app configuration page. The Your Authorization section should show your workspace listed again. In Slack, running /gcal today should return calendar events or a valid no events message, instead of an error or an empty response. Future meetings will now trigger the standard Slack reminder direct message 1 minute before they start. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations, your Slack Google Calendar integration has been reconnected and verified.